Welcome to CNN Weather Reports for 21st of July. Okay. Let's go to Mexico first. Beatrice?
I'm in Mexico and the weather in Mexico is horrible. There's a hurricane and it's raining a lot. So how is the weather in Poland?
Here sky is overcast and the wind is really force, so 6 road. But forecast for next days will be better, clear sky and glorious sun.
Hi, it's Amadeus from Zakopane. It's the middle of summer holidays and here is very cold. The temperature is 10 degrees below zero. The sky is overcast but no one here cares about it. Everyone enjoy the holidays and have fun. Thanks, back to you, Tolga.
Now let's go to Italy.
Hello, I'm reporting from Italy and yeah, the days are really bright and you can see the sun is shining, but it's really incredibly scorching. We got 55 degrees in the shadow and people are running with pants. It's incredible, really. Terrible turning back to the studio.
Now let's see how England goes. England today is rainy, as always, usually. We advise people to get their umbrellas and stuff. Thanks from BBC Weather.